Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is going to be regarding QNT token. But before we get into that, you guys can see the entire market is going through a massive continuation of a bloodbath, and the reason being we did go below $22,000 level for the price of Bitcoin. And as mentioned on my channel on a constant basis, that that level is insanely important for the price of Bitcoin, and if we go below it here on our Crypto ZX channel, we do turn bearish, and that's the case right now as of recording this video on March 9th 2023. But let's waste no more time and get right into QNT analysis and see what's happening and where are the price going in the immediate short term. Looking at the price of Quant right now, it is currently trading at $113.40. It's down about 3.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're seeing something interesting happen in the BTC comparative. We're up about 1.5% in BTC comparative for QNT right now. Looking at its market cap is currently sitting at $1.64 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $26.2 million. But now let's waste no more time and get right into the analysis and see what's happening and where is the price going in the immediate short term. Before I do get into that, as you guys know, that anything on this channel is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at the price of Quant right now, it has gone below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is this blue zone right here. But I wanted to share something very interesting with you guys that you might not really realize if you are examining the charts right now for QNT. And the thing that I wanted to share with you guys is that QNT is one of the top strong coins right now. When Bitcoin momentum changes, we're not seeing as much. I'm not saying that there is not volatility involved. Yeah, obviously there is. Everything is going to have an impact when Bitcoin reacts, but we're not seeing that type of pullback like majority of the altcoins are seeing right now in QNT. Because if you look, QNT is only down, if you were obviously since the February 5th move at $131, it's down about 14% since then, which is quite impressive. It is holding quite well in my personal opinion compared to other altcoins. But now with that being said, we are being supported. You guys can see, you cannot make this up right now. We're being supported by some insanely important level of support. You can literally see this for yourself. And if we lose this support, most importantly, this $100 support, we could once again retest the $87.56 Quant price once again. And in order for that to happen, obviously Bitcoin would need to go back down to $19,000, which is again right now on the table. Gave you guys constant warnings that Bitcoin needs to stay above $22,000 to remain bullish. And to remain in this upwards trend, we had to be above this previous higher low, and that's not the case. We fell below it, and now we are fighting some massive level of support where we should be supported at. If we don't get supported by here, which I honestly don't even see it happening unless the whales come and manipulate the markets as always, then if obviously the whales come and manipulate the markets and kind of clear out the shorts that are piling up, and then we could see a move towards the upside. But if not, right now $19,000 Bitcoin is on the table for grabs in my personal opinion. But like I said, QNT holding quite well right now. And when a project shows this type of momentum, when Bitcoin is on downwards trend and the entire market is bleeding, that shows the strength of the project. Number one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is no matter what, it's still going to have some sort of volatility and correlation with the price of Bitcoin, but might not be affected as much. So that shows the confidence of investors. Right after when you see Bitcoin going down, uncertainty coming in, and a specific project that's up in BTC comparative and holding well in USD comparative, that shows that the confidence level of the holders is really strong, and not much QNT is available to be sold on the exchanges. So I've said this before and I'll say it again. I am projecting that this is going to be one of the top projects this year and the next bull cycle. Obviously the next bull cycle is going to be a long bull cycle. Obviously, after Bitcoin happening, that's when I start to see the prices explode, which we still have quite some time to. But I do believe that 2023 is going to be a bullish year. We've seen that happen. The trend has been set, but these kind of moves will always occur, the ones we're seeing right now, no matter what. This is part of cryptocurrencies, guys, and this is why you need to be locking in profits when you're seeing the profit. And I always say that, and I'll say it again. But this is the current scenario that is looking like for QNT. Obviously, the best thing for us to do is get back into this blue zone. That would be great to see. But obviously, the price of Bitcoin needs to be looked at very closely. But that is it for today's update. See you guys tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.